Alright, so y'all ever straight pipe the Maserati?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Can we fix this part where I said Maserati earlier and Can we just cut this clip back to like this clip for every time I've said Maserati? Hey. Alright, well today we're gonna find out. This is the 4-cylinder, don't know what motor it is, but no, it's got a turbo. And it has this in the way and that giant thing in the way, so we're gonna replace it with those things in the way. Which to me just seems like a bunch of empty tubes, so I think we're gonna be pretty much straight pipe from Catback.
So first we're gonna take this exhaust off, get the new one on. We'll show you some sound clips.
Correct. Something like that, but far more steps in the way. Not really, it's just pulling it and putting it in. It looks pretty simple.
Yo, you called it.
I said watch your forehead. I was talking about this, not the ratchet.
Good job, This stamp, Alfa Romeo. But I said Maserati.
Same thing. It's a little black there now.
Yes, yes, yes. And Lamborghini is still Italian.
Still German, because it's made by Audi.
This is Italian.
I don't know what this is.
But it's made by Italians.
It's got a 4-cylinder in it.
Yeah?
Might as well be a Prius.
The 4C has a 4-cylinder in it.
No.
Your car has a 6-cylinder in it.
It's better than a 4.
So is the 8.
So is 12.
But you have 12.
I mean, I have 12 injectors.
Who did this? Who thought this is a good... Okay, so see the bracket that's here?
Yep.
There's more rubber behind there to hold the muffler on. Why'd you do
So you're gonna have to take the diffuser off, or?
I think I'm just gonna call Italians, write a strongly worded letter.
Okay, we just finished. Let's see what it sounds like. Go for it.